how to promote RedBubble products on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your RedBubble products on Pinterest. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what Pinterest is, it's one of the biggest sites out there. I mean, everyone knows what Pinterest is, but I'm pretty sure you didn't know you could promote your products on it. But over here, as you can see, a lot of guys, a lot of girls, a lot of people just come over here to find their inspiration, right? They find different products, different clothes, different just to different inspirations, just to so that they can create their products for themselves, or to buy products. If they didn't know where to get that product, they'd usually come over here. So over here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. If I just simply search for, let's say, funny shirts, then you can see we have a bunch of different funny shirts that are being promoted over here. And as you can see right down below, you have their links as well. Like if you click on this shirt, it'll take you over to the store, or the store where you can buy that. As you can see, this shirt right here is from Zazzle.com. So someone's promoting his or her shirt over here on Pinterest. So it's really amazing. So let's get started. So over here, let me first come over here onto Redbubble. Let me just create a product. So you can just simply go ahead and sell your art over here. Just simply click on sell your art and just simply click on start selling to sign up. Over here, just simply click on artist sign up. Sign up as an artist. Over here, enter in your email address and then your username and your password, and just simply click on sign up, and you're good to go. Now over here, you just simply have to create a product, set up your shop, and get paid. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and create a product. I'm just simply showing you so that you know. All right, just simply click on upload new work, and over here I think I just want to go ahead and upload one of my NFTs over here, like this one. I'll just go ahead and do that. Just call it CryptoPunks NFT, and I'll just add in some NFTs over here. NFTs by Coma and CryptoPunks. There we go. And then I just add in the description. I'm just simply gonna write like a CryptoPunks design. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. And this is how it's gonna look on shirts, on printed clothes, on shift tops, graphic t-shirts, stickers, magnets, phone cases, and travel mugs and all that stuff. And over here you can choose which product you want. So I do want the cap, I do want the clothes. I don't want this one. I'll take the sweaters and the shirts. I'll take even desk maps. No, actually desk maps I don't like that. Then I would like to have like a case. It does look good on a travel mug, on simple mugs, and a phone case. Drawing pad also looks good. I have a bunch of more, such as this one right here. We have mask. I'll take the mask as well. Maybe even an apron and the phone wallet as well. So everything looks good. Everything looks great. Now all I have to do is just simply scroll down over here, and we have media. So we only have to select up to two. So it's design and illustrations, and it's digital art. And then anybody public, only you. Default product in your shop, optimize recommended. So who can view this work? Anybody public. Yeah. Is this a mature content? No, this is not a mature content. And just click on the terms and agreement and simply click on save work, and then boom, you have your work ready. So as you can see, our work is ready. All our shirts and stuff like that is ready. Now if I just simply click on over here in this button right here, I can share it on to Pinterest as well. So it's really simple, it's really cool. But before we do that, what we need to do is we need to create an account on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and create an account. So I'm already signed in or logged in, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and log out and tell you how to do that. Let me just go ahead and log out real quick, and now I'm gonna go ahead and create an account. So first, it just scrolls and gives you like ideas and stuff like that. So if I just simply scroll down, boom, there we go. All right, so actually you have three options. So you can either sign up with your email address, your password, age, and stuff like that, or you can go ahead and sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account. It all depends on you. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with Google because it's a lot easier and it saves quite a lot of time as well. And there we go. Now pretty simple. I'm signed in, and this is how it looks like. I have a bunch of different ones over here. So basically, whatever you're interested in, then it'll show you that. So I never use Pinterest, but recently I created an account and I was searching for some NFTs. That's why I have some pixel arts over here and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and create our pin. So to create a pin, just simply click on this button and you can go ahead and create a pin, or create a pin idea, or get your own browser as well, so you can promote your products over here. So let's go ahead and create a pin, and also let's go ahead and promote our product as well. So let's go ahead and promote this product right here. Let's say this shirt or this glossy sticker, whichever one looks good. Actually, this iPhone soft case, looks really nice, so let's go ahead and share that. So let's go ahead and click on pin on Pinterest. It opened up Pinterest, as you can see. Because I created an account, I'm already logged in, so now I have to choose a board. So let's go ahead and create a board. So over here, keep this board a secret. You can keep this board a secret or not, it all depends upon you. So I'm just simply gonna write RedBubble products over here, and then click on create. Then you will have your boards created. I'll do that maybe later. All right, so let me just go ahead and create a pin. There we go. As you can see, I already have a product right there. I can add in other products as well. I can like drag and drop other products as well. So if I close this one, I go back. Let me just go ahead and reload this one over here. Let me just go into my profile real quick. As you can see, I already have a board created. If I click over here, this is my board. Then I can go ahead and upload it and send this pin to my friends and family members other as well. And then you have your link over here. If someone clicks on this link, it'll take them to my product over here on my RedBubble shop. So as you can see right here, so this is how you basically promote it. Next thing what you can do is you can like organize it, and you can like tweak it as well. So it all depends on you. So this is how you basically pin and promote your products on RedBubble. So now you can even do other things as well. So for example, if you have like your own NFT idea, like I did, like I have it over here and I just created it over here. So let me just go ahead and create a pin. So if I just simply click on create a pin, right, I click over here and I upload like this, let's say this NFT, right, I'll just tell everyone what your pin is about. So I'll basically write, this is a NFT design that I created. You can write that. Tell me what you guys think. It all depends on you. You can write something like this, and you can like add in some emojis and stuff like that. You can add in alternate text, add in a destination link if you want. It all depends on you. And you can create like a new pin as well. So you can create a new pin. Let's just say I'll just write crypto over here, and then just simply click on create. Boom, as you can see, click on save, give it a few seconds, and that's basically it. And there you go. As you can see, done. All you have to do is just simply do that. Just simply create your account on RedBubble, create your product, complete your payment, complete your designs and everything. Come onto Pinterest, create your account over here as well, and then just go ahead and promote your products. It's really simple. It's really easy. Boom, that is it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you know someone else who is into RedBubble, or is trying to do some products and designing of his own, and wants to know how he can promote his products onto different websites, then share this video to him or her, so that they can learn how they can promote their RedBubble products on Pinterest and how they can increase their profits. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And also leave a comment down below on what you think about this video, and if you have any other questions. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.